Jumping right in, this is the Covergirl True Blend Skin Smoothing Primer. And over top of that, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, SPF 20 in the shade LW2. And I'm using a damp sponge from Real Techniques to blend that in. Grabbing the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 5, Ivory, and I'm popping that under the eyes and over top of the lids to create a nice base for the eyeshadow that we're going to use over top. I'm going into Coty Airspun and baking my entire face. This is the shade Translucent, but I'm packing it more on the areas where I know I could crease or have some oil peek through throughout the day. And I apply it with this damp Real Techniques sponge. Oh my god, I'm already getting behind. Using this really fluffy brush from Luxie, the 640 Pro Precision Tapered, and fluffing that all around the face just to get rid of any excess powder. Oh wow, I'm adorable. Too Faced Shadow Insurance, my absolute favorite, and while that's setting in, we're going to get into some brows. Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown, and we are filling those suckers in. I always gotta set the brows, so I grabbed some e.l.f. brow gel and ran that through. Taking the original Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and popping on that dusty pink flamingo shade with this fluffy brush from Alamar Cosmetics. Fluffing this color into the crease while keeping a strong amount of pigment and winging it out across the outer area of the eye. Okay, I'm grabbing a Luxie 245 small shader and the same concealer and creating a cut crease. Then I'm grabbing the Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime and I'm popping that beam shade over the cut crease with a Luxie 213T. This is such a unique formula. Inside this palette, this shade is super reflective and iridescent. Now this double-ended brush I use almost every single time I do my eyeshadow. For the life of me, I cannot figure out what brand it is. I got it years ago in a Nipsey bag, and it is fantastic for detail work. So if you know, let me know, or else it would just continue to be called the mystery brush. I use the pointed side to create a little more dimension where the purple meets the pink, and the fluffy side to smoke out some of the pink underneath my eyes from the inner corner to the edge of the wing. For the inner corner of the eye, I grabbed a diamond crusher in the shade Lit from Lime Crime. These are the Pure Lashes in the style Diva, and I'm applying those with some latex-free Kiss lash adhesive and the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara to blend them in. I think I lost a lash. This is the Steve Laurent blush in the shade Rosé All Day, and I enjoy applying blush with this Aesthetica P12 face brush. For the lips, I'm starting off with this NYX lip liner in the shade Bloom, then going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lip in It's Happenin'. I'm placing this on the outer perimeter because I want to create an ombre effect, and this is a liquid lip so it will dry down. Then I'm grabbing the Stila liquid lip in Bossy and popping that in the center. Then back into the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the shade Lit. I layered on this Hikari blush in Tango just because I wanted a little bit more. And I was really excited because I picked up a brand new MAC Fix Plus. If you were going out to some sort of Halloween event, I would also definitely recommend some setting spray. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Peach Glow, and I'm applying that with my Real Techniques setting brush. I got these butterflies off Amazon, and I just predicted the placement and popped them on with some lash glue. I don't know if these would last you a full night out at a party, but it was working well for me. Then I added a little more detail with the Stila liquid lip, and that's it.